Hey cruisers! We get asked about the equipment we use for our travel videos quite often, but we typically steer clear of mentioning any particular gear. There are two reasons for this. First, our focus is travel, not gear. Second, we think that what you capture is far more important than what you capture it with. It's the fun and the spirit of the moment that matters when making a good vacation video. We believe in the old adage, the best camera is the camera you have with you. Mobile phones these days have terrific cameras, and most of us carry them daily. You can get great video with phones now, but there are a few things you can do to make them better. First things first, with some disclosure. A couple of our best tools for mobile video were sent to us from RØDE for review. No money changed hands, they did not ask us to say anything, and they have no input whatsoever in this video. That said, we love RØDE products, and we've been using them for years in our videos and podcasts, almost exclusively. So when RØDE asked us if we wanted to check out their new vlogging kit and video mic, we eagerly said yes. Now, onward with the tips. Our number one tip is to shoot horizontally, aka landscape. Unless you plan on posting your videos to vertical platforms like Instagram Stories or TikTok, it's best to avoid filming vertically. The best way to enjoy your vacation videos is on a big, nice widescreen TV, and if you film vertically, you'll have big, ugly black bars on the side. Not only does landscape make your video seem more aesthetically pleasing, but it will also make it more fun to watch, and you'll capture more in the actual video, more to see and love. Now that you're filming in the best orientation, landscape, for our second tip, let's talk about getting things stable. Nothing ruins video quite like the shakes. There are a few things you can do to avoid shaky video. First, tuck your elbows into your sides and move very slowly. Bend your knees when moving and walk heel to toe when moving with your camera. A good handle or tripod like the one that comes with the RØDE Vlogger Kit can make a really big difference. We like this little guy because it's small, lightweight, versatile, and super easy to pack. Our third tip will help you make videos more visually interesting. It's important to find your own personal style, but we recommend you start with framing your shots using something called the rule of thirds. Imagine dividing your monitor up into a 3x3 grid. So you have two horizontal lines across and two vertical lines going up and down. The rule of thirds states that the subject of interest should be on those lines. For example, you'd want to place a person's eyes on the top line right about at the intersection of either the right or left vertical line. For landscape footage, you'll want the horizon either at the bottom or the top horizontal line, depending on the look you're going for. Now, if you're filming a sunset, you'll probably want the horizon on the bottom line so you see more sky. You get the picture. Our fourth tip is a big one. Don't forget audio. It seems like a no-brainer, but audio is often overlooked on video. Here's the deal. Most people will sit through a video with less than stellar quality, but if the audio is bad, they'll move on very quickly. Here's the secret to good audio quality. Closer is better. The closer you get your microphone to the sound, the better. And be aware of wind. Wind is a killer, especially with phones. If you can, move your body so it blocks the wind and get an external mic like the RØDE Video Micro. This awesome little guy comes with the RØDE Vlogger Kit. It's super easy to carry around and it plugs right into your phone. They make them for iPhones, standard 3.5mm connectors, and even a new USB-C version. It also comes with a windscreen that can really help cut down on harsh wind noise. Finally, tip number 5. Be aware of low light conditions. Bad lighting can ruin an otherwise great video. Low light can introduce unwanted grain to your videos. This is especially true with smaller sensors and mobile phones. You might be surprised at what qualifies as low light when it comes to phone video, but there are things that you can do to fix this. If you're indoors, open the blinds, turn on the lights, and do whatever you can to get in more light. Natural light is always best, and you want the light shining on you, the subject, not behind you. A small portable light like the one that comes with the RØDE Vlogger Kit, can really help out. Be careful though of introducing unflattering shadows, as some of these lights can be quite harsh. One of the reasons we like the RØDE Micro LED is it comes with a clip-on diffuser to help reduce those nasty shadows. All right, my friends, that is it for this one. Of course, there are many ways to make better vacation videos, and we know we didn't cover them all. So please share your tips in the comments below, and let's make this video a great resource for everyone. We'll link to the RØDE vlogging kit we used in the description below as well. Please remember to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up before you take off. Until next time, we'll see you on the high seas.